Okay, we can start. To remove it, yeah. The bolts are not removable, so you can't lose it. You fix one side. Moment. You fix one side. Yeah. Then the holder for the die set. So? Not so. Yeah. That makes no sense. So. Yeah. Then easy to fill in the die sets. The first one. And now you fix it. And take the second one and lay it only here. Now you close the head, and you can see it is not exactly the holes. Yeah, so this side is flexible. Yeah. So we have to check out the position, and it closed. And now you fix the die set on the other side.
So can you open again, and because you want to show the flexible of this part? Because we have the flexible in this part, and then make it easier to remove the dies. But of course, you have to remove out this first.
This first, yeah.
And then this is.
Yeah. And also, make a break, please.